Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Dayan. If you are new in my YouTube channel, you can subscribe me at huwag mong kalimutan na i-press ang bell para updated ka sa aking mga video. For today's video guys, ako ay mag-exercise kasi nga tayo ay nibil-bil na. Oo, ang bilis lumaki ng ating tiyan. Okay, so ngayon tatalikod-ginik tayo. Okay, and then put your shoulder on your head. And then doing this. Para lumiit yung ating mga muscles. Kasi yung muscles natin is malaki na. Okay? And then you do like this. Kasi yung muscles natin guys is malaki na siya. Kakatrabaho. And then running. Para lumiit ang ating bili. Kasi yung bili natin is malaki na guys. So kailangan natin paliitin yung bili natin. Kasi malaki na yung atin siya. And then huwag tayong mapapagod. Maraming agad. Running. Jumping. Jumping guys. Dapat kita ganito yung muscles. But I don't want. Yung elbow natin. Kasi tayo, because my belly is big na, so we need to exercise. Okay? Running. So, ngayon guys, tularan niyo ako. See? I have belly na. So, nakakapagod talaga yung bra ko ay nakikita na. May bra coming out. Okay. Pati matris ko lanlag na. It's my belly. Hindi biro ang mag-exercise. Para akong tanga. Nakakapagod, be. You can enjoy your life also. Si I have big belly. Hindi na tayo. Coming home. I coming home. I coming home. Okay, otherwise, goodbye. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.